We bought this house for 60k. When we took it on, it was really old and dated. We ripped out everything. Now we're going to show you for the first time what it looks like after all the refurb's done. We did a full electrical rewire of the property to NICEIC specification. So come on through to the living room. So as you can see, it looks a lot better than it used to. We did a full rip out of this. We took off all the wallpaper everywhere. The ground wasn't level. When we first got it, it was all just wonky everywhere. So we put some self-leveling compound, like basically latex, all around here and through to the kitchen. So we've got Dordogne doors from Howden's, which look really nice, and the Newington handles. So come on through to the kitchen. As you can see, it's much better now. So we've got a nice Howden's kitchen, cost about 2.5 grand. So with this one, there was wooden paneling all around the kitchen, all in that room there where the old bathroom was. So we had to rip all that out, and we basically had to fill up 4 skips worth of waste. Also, the floor needed re-leveling in here, so we got all that compound down there and leveled it out pretty much. We've got the herringbone flooring, which I think looks really nice. So we've got all spotlights installed. So with this property, there was a bit of a delay. There was a leak upstairs, which actually brought down the whole ceiling. So yeah, we had to get all that fixed and painted and touched up and basically made nice again. This is where the old bathroom was, but we've moved that upstairs, so it's going to be a utility room. So yeah, we're going to have a washer and a dryer here. So let's go outside. The house got repainted and looks much nicer, but this is the bit I want to show you. So yeah, as I say, all this has been painted white. We've got this bike shed put here, all rendered and looking nice. And that's because we're putting it on Airbnb, and there's Bike Park Wales not far from here, which is one of the biggest bike parks in the UK. Well, I think it is the biggest park in the UK. So this is where they can keep their bikes safely and secure. All outside has been tidied up because that was just a mess and looking horrible before. All the old carpets we ripped out and just threw them all away. Here there was an old back boiler, so we got rid of that. So all the windows in the house have been replaced for UPVC windows. All new skirting boards, all new architraves, and new door liners. Here's room 1. The rooms are quite small, but where we're putting on Airbnb. We spoke to the service accommodation manager today, and he still reckons it'll do very well. Put a double in here, so that's good. He's estimating we'll make about 12 grand profit a year. So the turnover will be about 24 grand, but after like mortgages, management, and all the expenses of running it, it's going to be around a grand profit a month. Here's another bedroom. All new plastering's been done around the whole property, even the ceilings had to come down. All the internal walls around here all had to be knocked down because they were all shot and just had black mortar all in them. Here's the smallest room, probably get a single in here. But yeah, it's mainly going to be like bikers and people on their holidays and stuff like that, so should be absolutely fine. This had all cracks up here, so all this had to come down and get redone. This room, we didn't really know what to do with it because that was the only place we could have the bathroom. Ideally, we wanted the bathroom in that room. But yeah, we thought instead of having a massive bathroom, we could have like a walk-in room. So say for example, someone wants to stay through Airbnb, they got an extra room just in case they wanted to get an extra person in there. So we'll put a sofa in there, probably a TV on there, and with a sofa bed so they can stay if they wanted to. So in the bathroom, we've got the mosaic style looking vinyl, which looks quite good. We've got the white metro tiles and the grey grout. Got a nice looking shower. We've got the waterfall mixer taps, which I think looks really nice. We've got a toilet, which is amazing, in case anyone needs a poo when they're staying. All new radiators throughout the whole house and new boiler. So 30 kilowatt boiler because it's quite a large property. So we got all this insulated up there. We didn't really have to, but it would improve the EPC rating. So we got a load of rock wool up there. It cost 200 quid, so it's not bad at all. And lastly, we did full decoration work. So 1 mist coat, 2 full coats of white. With the doors, we did 1 layer of prime and then glossed it over. This refurb altogether cost about 30k. Purchase price was 60k. The fees were about, with everything put together, was about 3k. So all in is about 93k. We're hoping for an end value between 120 and 130. Valuer came around today, so we'll keep you updated. We've got a full vlog from start to finish, from starting up the company, calling the agents, going out and doing viewings, getting this deal, the full refurb and everything, right to the end, so watch out for it.